Do not try at home. Professionals only. Okay. Okay, guys.
So I got some taqueria.
Yeah.
Dude, turn it the other way. That's weird. Jacob's judging me for bringing Chipotle to a barbecue.
Yeah.
Right, Jake?
Yep.
How intensely were you judging me?
A lot. 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. Get JoJo.
Good shots. Good shots. Got some good shots over there. Now it's back to this guy eating taqueria. Another good shot.
Another good shot.
Now it's back to this guy eating taqueria.
Dude, did you paint your nail?
I hit it.
Show the camera.
Guys, I hit my hand.
I thought he was painting his nails.
I'm not a fairy.
It's mostly rice now.
How was the rice? 10 out of 10?
I mean, the food's good, but I like a little bit more chicken.
He's a chicken guy. Another aggressive. Keep it friendly. Alright, back to this guy eating taqueria. A guy just looked at me weird. We might have to fight.
Dude, just call Chris Hansen.
Okay. Another amazing shot. Now back to him.
What's with this garbage?
I don't know.
It's a big box over there.
We could fit you in it and then have a little alone time.
Bro, I can't put that on YouTube.
It's okay. We were just gonna play patty cake. We were just gonna play patty cake. Nothing inappropriate. Another amazing shot. Let's get an interview on this kid over here. What's your name and what are you doing over here?
You already know my name, and you see him clearly riding a bike.
Aggressive shots.
Okay, now you're just overdoing it.
Alright.
I'll see you later, bro.
Right off in the sunset. He's riding off in the sunset. And he's out of here. That's it, folks. It's me, your host, the best person in the world.
No, it's kind of. I want to save the battery and the memory.